Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is a guide on how to go live on Twitter on your Android or iOS. Let's get started. So first and foremost, open up your Twitter app and be sure to be logged in already to your account that you want to go live on. Tap on the blue plus icon on the bottom right and then tap on tweet. And after that, you'll be able to see a camera icon in there and then tap on it and you'll be able to see three texts below. Just swipe right to get to your live. In here, just tap on the white button that says go live. And before that, you should be able to also type on what type of title or thumbnail do you want for other people to see before coming into your live. So let's just put on a emoji there, and after that you'll be able to have a prompt there and going live. Just press on it and it will say to you that you're already on live, and it will also say how many viewers you got and what filters you want to use or text or even other messages interact with your viewers. So you can also use flash, and after you're done, just tap on the exit button on the top right and just stop the live. And that's about it. You can also check your live to your feed as well. And that's about it. This explained that, and that's how to go live on Twitter on Android or iOS.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.